everyone, today I will be sharing how to use the CIK journal, and if you don't have the journal then you can buy it from the link in the description, and then you can follow the steps to become a confident introvert kid, a CIK. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. Step 1. First read about all the personalities, introvert, extrovert and an ambivert. After reading, make sure to take the quick quiz which is given on the next page, which reveals if you're more of an introvert or an extrovert. If you get 4 B's and 4 A's, then you are an ambivert. After taking the quiz and knowing your personality, review some common traits of an introvert kid and then write what are your traits. Review some of the positive and negative emotions and thoughts an introvert kid goes through. Then write how you feel in certain social gatherings. The next page is a fun coloring activity where you can color the beautiful illustration and the inspiring quote. There are also a few labels and phrases that an introvert kid goes through given, and the ones that you relate to. You can tick them. Write some of the labels you go through and then apply them in the IFAB methods that is shared and become fabulous at handling labels wherever you go. Step 2. Facing your fears. This step is about overcoming your 10 fears as an introvert kid. Even if you don't have one of the fears in the list, you can still try to become more confident about yourself. There are many activities and habits given in order to overcome your fears, and you just have to follow it step by step. In some of the fears, you have to ask your parents that if your writing is up to their mark, and if they approve, you can write that answer and do the following activities. Step 3. Discovering your strengths and creating your superpower. The third step is all about discovering your natural strengths as an introvert kid and creating your superpowers. In the first strength, which is silence, read all 4 types of silence carefully, and you don't have to do all the activities given, just understand and take one step at a time. For the next strength, learn about the 2 types of thinking, creative and critical. Then, understand what is brainstorming and the 2 types of brainstorming and create a mind map on a topic that you like. Make sure to do the same for the listing activity. For the next strength, write the 5 most important people in your life. It can be your parents, siblings, one of your friends, grandparents, or anyone you feel close to. And then paste their picture and the activity below. For the next strength, answer some questions about solitude, and you can also try some fun activities that is mentioned. Do the same for the next strength by answering some questions, understanding the concept and doing the activities. Then it's the best part, to create your own superpower. After discovering your superpower by answering some questions, move on to the next step. The 4th step is my favorite as it's about working on your big dreams. First, use 2 ways to identify your big dream. You can use both of them or one of them. Then review the 4 skills to achieve your big dream and answer a few questions to become clear. Then read the 5 daily actions you have to take to achieve your dream and answer the questions. My favorite part on the page is on the next page, which is identifying your fun role that has a fun word search and you can create your own fun role. Step number 5. Become a CIK. The 5th step is the step where you actually become confident. There are 6 ways to show confidence. So, if you're really determined to show confidence, then you have to follow all the acts and methods that are mentioned in the journal. Some of them are small but important acts, like improving your body language and using positive affirmations. These are very important and fun to do, and it can definitely make a change in your personality. This can really help you to use the CIK journal in the right way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.